TIS can control Zigbee scenes using its TIS-B scene-powered or battery scene switches. To add Zigbee devices to your hub using the TIS DevSearch software, locate your Zigbee hub in the list, select it, and double-click to open it. Go to the Zigbee Devices tab, then select the Scene Switch device option. Next, go to your Zigbee device, for example the Eon Scene Switch, and press any button for 6 seconds until it starts blinking slowly. Once it blinks, quickly press the same button 3 times in a row. The device will then start blinking rapidly, indicating it is entering joining network mode. In the software, click Open Join Window. The joining mode will start a 255-second countdown, allowing Zigbee devices in joining mode to connect. After a few seconds, the scene switch should automatically appear in the list, highlighted in yellow. If all channels do not appear, try clicking on Read Status from the converter. Double-click the newly added scene button. Add a comment for it. Each button can control up to 8 commands for different devices, such as lights, curtains, infrared, or air conditioning. In the Easy Command section, you can type all your commands by selecting the command type and other parameters. For example, if this button will control 2 lights, select the command type as single channel light, then choose the room, channel, and intensity. Press Config for each command, then click Save. Next, select another scene button and configure it as needed. If you want the scene to act as an on-off toggle to press once to turn on the lights and again to turn them off, enable the on-off status reverse option. You can add additional Zigbee scene switches to the network one by one. For the TIS Zigbee battery type scene switch, long press the scene button until the LED starts blinking. This indicates that the switch has entered joining network pairing mode. Follow the same joining procedure to add it to the network. Click Open Join Window in the software. All the scene buttons will appear. Add comments and configure the commands. For this example, we will create a scene to turn on the lights and TRV heating by clicking on scene button number 1. We add the first command to control the light using the single channel light command, and the second command to control the AC using the panel control command. Test the scene by pressing the programmed button on the scene switch.